Hello everyone. Today we are with the book Know for Sure General Knowledge of Class 2 for EV2 syllabus. Now here page number 25 says the flatfish has both its eyes on both its side of his head. They can be found resting on the bottom with their eyes facing upward looking for prey. Next is the electric ray. You can understand by the name only that it gives shock like electricity. Electric ray is circular in shape. They have the ability to stun animals that are much larger than them, such as human beings, by delivering electric shocks. Yes, it is. The saw fish. So you know that carpenter uses saw to cut the wood. Same as this fish has one body part like this. A sawfish has a long snout that looks like a saw, which helps it dig the ocean floor for food. Match the following here with the body parts of a fish with their function. Yes, fins help them swim. Gills help the fish in breathing. Scales provide the fish protection. Next is page number 26, Knowing India. Knowing is visiting different places in the country with the correct answer options from the help box to name these famous places. First one is the only active volcano in India is Barren Island, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. National park in Assam known for its one-horned rhino is Kaziranga National Park. Number 3 is lake in Srinagar known for its houseboats. This famous lake in Srinagar is Dal Lake. Desert in Rajasthan. Yes, this famous desert is Thar Desert in Rajasthan. Now answer these questions. Number 1 is who is known as father of the nation? You know that? Mahatma Gandhi. Now number 2, how many states are there in India? Right now there are 28 states in India. Number 3, which is the oldest commonly spoken language in India? That is Tamil. It is from South India. Number 4, which Indian language is written in the Gurumukhi script? This is Punjabi. It is from North India. Tidbits. The Indus Valley Civilization is one of the oldest civilizations in the world. It was located in the Indian subcontinent. Our knowledge of the people of the Indus Valley is limited since nobody has been able to understand their script yet. Now there is page number 30, Awesome Animals. Yes, these animals have some strange facts. Help Noe to identify these awesome animals. Write the correct answers with the help box given on the next page. This is the largest spider. This is tarantula. Number 2. This is the world's slowest mammal. This is sloth. These sharks have heads shaped like hammers, which help them to find food in the sea. This is hammerhead shark. Number 4. These lizards are best known for changing their body colors to blend in with their environment. This is chameleon. Number 5. These animals cannot jump. Thus, this big one, fatty animal, is elephant. Penguins have webbed feet, which help them to swim. This also use their short pedal-like wings to swim. Penguins have short feathers and a thick layer of fat to keep them warm. Now number 6. These animals have no teeth but can swallow up to 35,000 ants in a day with the help of their long tongues. This animal is anteater. Number 7. This animal's name means little armored one, which refers to the overlapping plates covering its back, legs, head and tail. This is armadillo. Number 8. These animals give off a bad smell when they are threatened. This is meerkats. No, this is skunks. Sorry, these are skunks, those who give off a bad smell when they are threatened. These are skunks. Number 9. These animals can stand erect on their hind legs. These are meerkats. Number 10. This animal has a long nose and looks like a large pig with a trunk. This animal is tapir. Giraffe has long necks to help them eat from tall trees. They are the largest living animals which have long tongues so that they can pick the smallest leaves of plants. Now here is page number 32. What is the capital of India? It's New Delhi. Number 2. Where was Humpty Dumpty sitting when he had a great fall? Yes, he was sitting on the wall. Number 3. The Pied Piper of Hamelin came to get rid of which animal from the town? This is rats. Number 4. Which animal pulls Santa's sledge? It's reindeer. How many moons does the Earth have? Earth has one moon. Tea is grown on hill slopes. True or false? It's true. Number 7. Our earth is flat and has 4 corners. This is false. On which date do people celebrate Republic Day in India? It's 26th January. Find the odd one out. A snake, cheetah, hyena, wolf. A snake is different to them all. Number 10. Which of these characters from stories had a magic lamp? Mowgli, Aladdin or Little Red Riding Hood? The answer is Aladdin. Number 11. Which sport does Saina Nehwal play? Saina Nehwal plays badminton. Number 12. Which of these come from a plant? Silk, wool or cotton? Yes, we get cotton from the plant, silk from silkworm, wool from the sheep. Which of these documents is always necessary if you have to travel abroad? Abroad means going foreign. Yes, we need passport. Which of these is made from cocoa? That is chocolate. Now page number 33. Musically yours. One option is correct. Of these questions, you need to choose the correct option. Number 1. Which of these is not a musical instrument? So car horn is not a musical instrument. Flute and harmonium are. Number 2. To play with wind instrument, the player blows air into a bag and squeezes it out through pipes. This is bagpipes. Number 3. A group that plays together is a band of musicians. Number 4. Classical, folk, disco, jazz, pop, rock are types of music. Number 5. An instrument with strings is a guitar. Number 6. The words of a song are called lyrics. Number 7. A song sung by two singers is a duet. Number 8. This musical instrument has white and black keys with two or more pedals is piano. Tidbits. One of the oldest musical instruments ever found was an animal bone flute. It was more than 42,000 years old. Now here we are with useful plants. Page number 36. Almost all parts of a coconut tree are useful. The trunk is used to make furniture. We eat the coconut fruit and it gives us oil. Also, coconut water makes for a cool, refreshing drink. Coconut tree is called fiber is called coir and can be woven to make ropes and mats. Various parts of neem tree are used to make different medicines. Neem twigs are used to brush teeth. Neem leaves are used to ward off insects. They are also eaten in many parts in India. Every part of a banana tree can be used. The trunk, flower, fruit can be eaten. Banana leaves are used as plates. Next is the reddish brown dye is obtained from the henna plant, is used to color hands, hair, fingernails and fabrics. When a cut is made in the bark of the rubber tree, latex, a milky fluid comes out. You can see here. This fluid is collected and used to make sheets of rubber from which objects like tires, shoe soles and balls are made. Let us recognize these pictures. This is tulsi, yes. This is pudina and this is amla. Animals in films. This animal you can find in Babe Pig in the City. This animal you can find in Stuart Little. And this animal dog you can find in Marley and Me. And this animal you can find in Dunston Checks In. And this dog is you can find in Marmaduke. And this animal you can find in 101 Dalmatians. Now here are Indian monuments. Very famous monuments are here. This one you can recognize. This is Taj Mahal. This is Gateway of India. This is Victoria Memorial. This is Qutub Minar. And this is Hawa Mahal. And this is Sanchi Stupa. The work to construct Humayun's tomb in Delhi began in 1569. It is one of the earliest examples of a garden tomb, which is a characteristic of the Mughal era architecture. Now here, page number 46, we can see learning badminton. Badminton is played with a racket and a special feathered shuttlecock. It can be played in a court, on a lawn or indoors. It can be played by 2 people or 4 people, forming 2 teams, each with 2 players. There is a net in the center of the court that divides the court into half. Badminton racket, center line that divides the court into 2 halves. Side line from doubles. In double matches, a player makes a fault if the shuttle goes beyond this line. Palm starts the game by hitting the shuttlecock with her racket. She is the server. Back boundary. This marks the end of the playing area. It also serves as the long service line for singles matches. Now on the next page is, here are some pictures. You can recognize these pictures, write the name as well. Badminton is a part of the Olympic Games. Thomas Cup and Uber Cup are the other famous badminton competitions. When the shuttlecock comes to Rohan, he will hit it back to palm. He is the receiver. Sidelines for singles. In singles matches, a player makes a fault if the shuttle goes beyond this line. Now, where comes this word from? Badminton is derived directly from a game known as Puna, which was played by British Army officers stationed here in the 1960s. Yes, one more about badminton is long service line. In doubles matches, the server will not go beyond this line. Now let us see page number 49, Classical Dances of India. Match the following. Kuchipudi is the dance of Andhra Pradesh. Kathakali is the dance of Kerala. Kathak is a dance of Uttar Pradesh. Manipuri is the dance of Manipur. Odissi is the dance of Odisha, and Bharatnatyam is the dance of Tamil Nadu. For tidbits, Mohini Attam, the classical dance from Kerala, is performed by women to honor Lord Vishnu. Very important. The word Mohini Attam means dance of the enchantress in Malayalam. The music for performing Mohini Attam is played on veena and mridangam. Now next is differently abled. Let's read about some special people and their achievements. One is Helen Keller, was an American author who was not able to see, hear or speak. She was the first deaf blind person to get a college degree. One of the greatest music composers in history, Ludwig van Beethoven, created music even after he went deaf. Yes, Ludwig van Beethoven was a great music composer. Dr. Stephen Hawking is a famous scientist. He developed a condition when he was at college because of which he could not move, write or speak. Sudha Chandran is a famous dancer and actor. She lost a leg in an accident. Her love for dance gave her the courage to continue dancing on her artificial leg. A film based on her life called Mayuri was released in 1984. Yes, her famous film was Mayuri. The blind read books with the help of a system called Braille, which was developed by Louis Braille. He published the first ever Braille book in 1829. The Braille system consists of a combination of 6 raised dots arranged in different patterns to represent various letters of the alphabet. That's all for this today about GK, and this is all about evaluation 2 syllabus according to me, and I hope you will read it properly, read it in proper way, learn it and stay connected for my next videos. Thank you. Have a nice time.